Ma Cuisine is a gastro wine bar. We wanted to create a place for wine lovers and then give them the opportunity to enjoy the wines with a beautiful French gastronomy. It's all about wine from all over the world, hearty, sharing food to make people really enjoy their time here. Hi, my name is Mathieu Escoffier, the chef owner of one-MICHELIN-starred Ma Cuisine in Singapore. My parents, they created Ma Cuisine in 1996 in Beaune, which is located in the heart of Burgundy, very based on a huge Burgundy wine list. And at this time, it was not very common to have extensive wine lists with comfort, hearty food. So my mom was in the kitchen, my dad as a sommelier, and they really created the beautiful combination of both worlds. In Singapore, we took the codes of this first outlet in France, but we opened it more to the world. I think beef has always been around, especially in bistros and brasseries. People like more tender beef, but with taste as well. The fatty beef, because of the fat inside, is really delivering some strong taste. Beef tartare, it's always like a very comfort food, and I really wanted to create something very pure to respect the ingredients. Beef, geoduck, which is very simply blanched, and the oysters, custard, is a tartare, which is, I think you call it surf and turf. We love to bring some saltiness from a natural product rather than salt. The combination of both is very interesting in terms of complexity, and you can really push the taste forward. We use tenderloin. We're gonna hand cut it, and I think people, they like a bit chunky now, but in the same time, because it's Wagyu beef, you have a nice marbling of fat, which will bring some extra flavors. So the geoduck is for the texture. Then the oysters, for the iodine, we want to make like a Japanese custard without cream. So it's only oysters, broth. Then we're gonna put the tartare of beef and geoduck on top of that. Seasoned with horseradish cream for the kick, a bit of egg yolk. Today with the tartare, because I'm pairing with oysters, and I will pair it with a white wine. So I chose Jerez. It's a 2008 vintage. It's kind of oxidative notes, but it will push the iodine of the oysters. It will also help the umami of the beef. The balance will be quite interesting to see. At Ma Cuisine, I really want people to understand their wine first. So the dishes has to be very easy to understand, not overcomplicated, simplify the maximum by keeping the techniques. At the end of the day, I think if you do the food you are liking, you have 99% of the chance people will like it.